To fix a Venmo instant transfer error, start by understanding what instant transfer is. Instant transfer is a feature that allows you to quickly transfer funds from your Venmo account to your debit card or bank account. However, sometimes this process may fail due to various reasons. First, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. A poor internet connection can cause the transfer to fail, so try restarting your router or switching to a different network if necessary. Next, verify that your debit card or bank account is eligible for instant transfer. Check that your card is valid and has not expired, and that your bank account is linked correctly to your Venmo account. If you have recently changed your bank account or debit card information, try restarting the transfer process. Ensure that all your information is up to date and accurate, including your account numbers and routing numbers. Another common cause of instant transfer errors is insufficient funds in your Venmo account. Make sure you have enough money in your account to cover the transfer amount, including any fees that may apply. If you are still experiencing issues, try canceling the transfer and starting again from scratch. This can sometimes resolve any technical glitches that may be causing the error. Additionally, check the Venmo app for any updates, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Install any available updates and try the transfer again. It is also important to be aware of Venmo's transfer limits, which can vary depending on your account type and verification status. If you are trying to transfer a large amount, you may need to verify your identity or upgrade your account to increase your limits. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Venmo's customer support team for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide more detailed guidance on how to fix the error. By following these steps and understanding the common causes of instant transfer errors, you should be able to resolve the issue and successfully transfer your funds. Remember to always double-check your information and ensure that your account is up to date to avoid any future errors.